Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Fidelity Individual Stocks, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you understand the world of stock investing with Fidelity. To get started, you need to open a Fidelity brokerage account, which can be done online or by visiting a local Fidelity investment center. Once your account is open and funded, you can begin exploring the various investment options available, including individual stocks. Fidelity offers a wide range of individual stocks to choose from, including well-known companies like Apple and Amazon, as well as smaller, emerging companies. To find individual stocks, log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the trading platform, where you can search for specific stocks by symbol or name. When evaluating individual stocks, consider key factors such as the company's financial health, industry trends, and competitive position. You can find this information by reviewing the company's financial statements, reading news articles, and analyzing industry reports. To buy individual stocks, simply enter the stock symbol and the number of shares you want to purchase, and confirm your order. You can also set a limit price, which allows you to specify the maximum price you are willing to pay for the stock. In addition to buying individual stocks, Fidelity also offers a range of tools and resources to help you manage your investments, including real-time quotes, charts, and news feeds. You can also set up a watch list to track your favorite stocks and receive alerts when market conditions change. As a beginner, it is essential to start with a solid understanding of the basics and to develop a long-term investment strategy. This includes setting clear financial goals, diversifying your portfolio, and avoiding emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. By following these steps and using the tools and resources available through Fidelity, you can build a successful individual stock portfolio and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember to always do your research, stay informed, and consult with a financial advisor if you need personalized advice.